So let's move to the first part, a quick introduction to the WBA portfolio, focusing on the WBA6. So regarding wireless, ST is leading the Cortex-M microcontroller architecture, and we have a complete portfolio to address wireless connectivity in short range, but also long range. So today we are focusing on short range 2.4 connectivity to address BLE applications, Thread, Matter, ZigBee, and multi-protocol. So this is a focus on the WBA series. Of course, ST is also present in other area, LP1 area, long range with different connectivity, especially for metering applications. For example, Wi-Fi. You may have heard about our partnership with Qualcomm. So now we have some modules to address this kind of connectivities on very short range with NFC and ultra-wideband in preparations. WBA families is covering the whole 2.4 technology. So, of course, BLE communication, but also Thread, Matter, and ZigBee to address many different applications. So from wearable, but also sensor, home automations applications, and industrial as well. So regarding our portfolio today, we cover many different aspects on the 2.4. We have the WB0 series that is covering BLE connectivity. So it's a perfect fit for entry-level BLE activity to add a BLE on an existing applications. On the left side, you see the WB05N. This is a network coprocessor. So it means you keep your applications and you add the BLE link. We have as well a more complex product. So this is a WB55 series. And here we are supporting multi-protocol. So on BLE, we can also address Thread, ZigBee, and Matter connectivity. So this is a dual core product, Cortex-M0 and Cortex-M4 product running up to 64 MHz with 1 MB embedded flash. On the right side, you see the new series that we introduced more than 1 year now, with two different subfamilies, the WBA5, it's a Cortex-M33 running up to 100 MHz, 1 MB flash. And we have just introduced the second one, the WBA6, that is expanding this series with more embedded memories up to 2 MB flash. So the focus today, we will look at this WBA6 and with the whole ecosystem. So what the WBA brings to the market. So first of all, enhanced wireless performance. So this is a Cortex-M33, high performance running up to 100 MHz, supporting multi-protocol and offering up to 10 dBm output power. On top, we put a focus on security, and so it's a SESIP level 3 compliant on PSA level 3. So this is level of security you could achieve with this product. And ST is giving you all the materials to achieve this security. It's also part on our 10 years longevity program. So this is the same as any kind of STM32. And finally, a big focus on the ecosystem. And this is what we will demonstrate to you live today. So regarding security, so it's a combination between hardware crypto that we put inside the part to address different use case, all the memory protections with a lot of flexibility, the hardware crypto with a hook, an hardware secure key storage, a lot of isolation flexibility thanks to the TrustZone, and as well different level of platform protection. So this is the hardware mechanisms we put inside the WBA. On top, ST is offering many different services, and all these services are part of the STM32 Trust. So you have, for example, secure boot, secure firmware installations, and so on. So one of the demo today is focusing on the OTA and the secure boot as well. So you will see this, how it works. So the first series on the WBA is a 5 series. So this is a part that is supporting multi-protocol, having up to 1 MB embedded flash and 128 KB S1. The portfolio that is fully available today for the WBA5 is covering 512 up to 1 MB flash with different package. QFN32 and 48 are very standard, but we also have a very thin CSP package, and as well a BGA package with additional GPIOs for addressing more complex product. And you see on the right side here WBA5M. So this is our module, a fully certified module that is also available based on the superset on this portfolio. So this is a module, so you can see some picture. So this is very optimized. This LGA 76-pin package, 8 by 12 millimeter. It's fully ready. We just launched it on full productions a few weeks ago. So now it's available for anybody. This is fully certified. On top of the module, of course, you have here an expansion connector board to ease the evaluations. And this module is completely integrated inside our ecosystem, and it supports all the multi-protocol technology. So now the WBA6 is expanding the WBA5 with more memories. As I said, this product is the same architecture on Cortex-M33 100 MHz, but it has 2 MB flash and 512 KB RAM. It has as well additional GPIOs, and we have a USB high-speed interface on this product. So some typical applications where we have this product is very successful. So some smart lock, for example, thanks to the nice embedded memories that allows customer to do firmware update, OTA, for example, and as well a good balance between cost and the feature set. Smart home applications, thanks to the 10 dBm, but also the large package to handle HMI display, for example. And for Matter, we have an X-Cube Matter, that is an expansion cube that is fully ready, fully certified to help people to move very quick to this Matter environment. And on the right side, medical applications as well is a good fit thanks to the very small package, CSP package. So this is a portfolio of the WBA6 that is available today. So we cover 1 MB up to 2 MB embedded flash. You see this on the left. Standard package, QFN48. We have another 68 package and the bigger CSP 88 pin package with a large BGA as well to address more complex applications. You see on the right side the WBA6M. So this is a module. So this module is under preparations. We will have sample very soon, and we will announce it start of next year. So this is coming. So you see here there is a small star. So means on the QFN 48 pin package, there is a pin-to-pin compatibility between the WBA5 to the WBA6. So this is part of the DNA of the STM32 portfolio. For each new families, we try to keep something compatible with what is existing. So this is not always possible, but for the QFN 48, this is feasible. So if you have started with the WBA5, you can migrate to the WBA6. This is some information regarding the different product lines. So we have different versions of the WBA6. They are all supporting up to 2 MB flash. 62 is the entry level with BLE connectivity only. The rest are multi-protocol. And you see there are some differences with USB high speed and LDO and SMPS. So SMPS is the most optimized part for very low power consumptions. Otherwise, you have an LDO that is also available inside the part. On the left side, this is all the common peripheral set that is shared between the different sublines in this WBA6. So here, this is a little bit more details regarding the block diagram. So the core is a Cortex-M33 running a TrustZone up to 100 MHz, a very rich radio offering strong performance, so we can achieve 10 dBm, but also a very low power consumption, takes around 5.9 milliamps and OX 4.3 milliamps. So this is typical power consumptions that you will see during the demos today, and a very nice sensitivity as well. And also supporting multi-protocol. So this is what we'll see together during this workshop. Power consumption is a big focus on this part. This is inherited from the U5, the ultra-low power product. And you see that in standby mode, keeping 64 KB RAM retentions, having the RF available, we can achieve around 1.68 microamps. Now, regarding the ecosystem, so this is very important. What is around the WBA6? So you see here different standards for BLE connectivity. We also support Oracast, so we support the latest feature for BLE, so long range, BLE, the extended advertising, AOIOD, and so on. So for this, we have many different stack, different optimizations to let you evaluate what you need for your BLE connectivity on your applications. On top, we have Zigbee. So we support the complete Zigbee Pro 3.0, 23 and 22 versions. We have now Zigbee Direct as well available, and this is part of our demo today. OpenThread. So now we are supporting the 1.4 with some example, some applications, and so on to do any kind of OpenThread applications. And OpenThread is also very important to Matter applications. So ST has an Xcube Matter based on the latest 1.4 versions with many different examples and applications to support Sleepy and device, but also Matter Bridge. And we will Matter is part of one of the demo today. So regarding the ecosystem, the WBA is offering a hardware evaluation board, Nucleo and Discovery kits, as any other STM32. We have also some STDES. This is the reference design for RF application based on the WBA6. You have the link here on the presentations if you need to access. And regarding software, this is a standard software Cube package. So regarding Discovery Kit, this is all the Discovery and Nucleo available for the WBA series. On the left side, WBA5. For the WBA6, you have the Discovery here on the picture on the WBA6 Nucleo board. So this is the two boards that we will use during the workshop today. Software tools. So this is the Cube environment. So you know the CubeMX that is supporting all the wireless product with the graphics pin-out configurations. In the middle, this is a snapshot of the IDE. So the main one are STM32 Cube IDE. But now we also have VS Code extensions available, and we have many different partners, as you know, to offer more flexibility regarding compiler. On the right side, this is the STM32 Cube monitor. So here we have the programmer, the monitor, and as well specific tools for STM32 RF. On top of the STM32 Cube, you have now Zephyr. So all the STM32 wireless are supported under Zephyr. You can have a look. And today we will touch this as well during the workshop. On top of STM32WBA wireless SoC, we have some IPD. So this is companion chip to help you to simplify your design. So the idea is quite simple. This is to embed. So this is a companion chip to embed all passive components you have around it for the matching antenna, for example. So this, you have the part number here, the MLPF WB04D3. So this part is available, the companion chip for WBA to move faster to your PCB design on the RF part. Okay, so on top of your wireless journey, ST is here to help. And there are many different options. We have a dedicated support to help you for your RF design. And you will see today different members of this technical support team. So on the blue part here, this is a standard support that we can help any kind of customer for an STM32 design. So helping to do the ST product selections and as well helping during the evaluations, answering any technical questions. Now, dedicated to RF, we put in place specific resources to help you to do schematics review, layout review, PCB bring up, for example, or when you will move to your certifications, so you have some regional RF tests that we could do in our lab, and so on. So this is what we will show, ST capabilities to help you when you will have an RF design. And this is resources that are available, so don't hesitate to contact us after if you need support during your design. So now one word regarding wireless roadmap, where we are going in the future. So you know very well the generation 1. So it's a combination between BLE part with a WB0 product. That is a very nice product for entry level based on Cortex M0 Plus. And we also have the WB5 series, the dual core product supporting multi-protocol. The Gen 2 is having two products that you know already, the WBA5, Cortex M33, more performance, 1 MB flash, multi-protocol. And now we are expanding the WBA6 that has more embedded memories to address more complex applications, but also more demanding applications regarding the RF stack, and especially true with Matter. So now the WBA6 is capable to run Matter end applications, having everything internal, including the OTA process. So this is what is available today. Now what is coming very soon is another WBA6. So there is no defined name yet, but it's coming. It will be a subset, I would say, on WBA5. So same architecture, Cortex M33, a bit of less memory, but more optimized in terms of pricing. And we are also defining right now the next product afterwards. So this one will be really entry level, means addressing low-cost BLE applications. And you see another one here that will be in the middle, so bringing some new peripheral on top of wireless connectivities. And of course, the arrow are expanding, so means we are preparing the roadmap to address what will come after this on both directions. So on the low end, but also on the more high performance. So stay tuned. The STM32 wireless WB is growing. So a few takeaways. So in terms of performance, the WBA is really offering very high level on the wireless performance, up to 10 dBm output power. This is a Cortex M33 running up to 100 MHz. Very efficient in terms of power, and we'll demonstrate you this today live. High level of security with a SESIP level 3, the TrustZone, and as well a good level of integrations with the 2 MB flash on the 5 and 12 KB RAM. And the free ecosystem, the free and ease of use ecosystem that will help you to improve your time to market and to enhance your experience with STM32 wireless. And this is the purpose of this workshop today, to demonstrate the ecosystem around the WBA6. So thanks a lot. Now let's move to the technical part on this workshop